This is what it actually looked like when you start your introduction video with your camera guy at the third floor of a building.
And you can also start your video while karaokeing here at the VIP room of a Korean restaurant. Welcome to Albay!
Since we are Korean couple and we introducing authentic Korean food, so she's the one who's cooking. We are always keep the level of our Korean food with real Korean taste. This is bibimbap, one of the famous Korean food, especially well known for its healthiness.
Okay.
Okay. We use rice underneath of these vegetables and other ingredients. Many people already know this kimbap. So it's what we call complete food.
Right. My question is, what's this orange one? Looks like tiny eggs and stuff.
Fish egg.
Fish eggs. Oh, okay. So it's complete food. Well, this looks very familiar, but a little bit different. So,
Yeah.
what is this?
It's shabu shabu. That's our signature menu here, and we provide two kinds of soup for the favor of customers. So if they like spicy soup
Spicy.
or mild one,
Okay.
they can choose.
This dish looks a little bit different. What do we call this one?
This is chashu and tofu. You know tofu, right?
Yes, yes.
So specially cooked kimchi, Korean kimchi.
Yeah.
So they can mix it, and some people like it when they drink. So we are more on our own food, like shabu shabu and seafood, and the imported beef. We use imported high-grade meat coming from US, sometimes New Zealand, Australia. But Korean food are mostly on spiciness and the vegetables. You cannot think about it without vegetables. So we have a lot of Filipino food too, like bata and sisig, bulalo, Bicol Express, pinangan, like that. Yes. I am not really a person with a big city life. So I like this kind of simple and peaceful. Early in the morning, I just report here, then have a cup of coffee at the terrace. That makes me really happy. So I think, why not? The customer will enjoy this.